upgrading this PC or opening this up really is not what this is meant for. Like, you can do it if you wanted to, but it's not designed to be upgraded. You kind of just put in what you want from the get-go. Now, you can buy the bare bones of this, add your RAM and SSD yourself. I think that's an option if you already have that. Perhaps you have some SODIMMs from your laptop or some whatever, then you can buy a bare bones version, because often what happens is the OEMs will charge you premium for the SODIMM slots, where you can buy them very cheap on Amazon or upgrade the RAM. Possibly can do that, but 32 gigabytes seems to be a pretty good option there.